In February and March, things were going reasonably well. We thought we had escaped the corona crisis going on over the world, but unfortunately a series of events happened and the government put us in lockdown, in complete curfew. We were used to 2-3 days of curfew from long ago, but this was something that was going to last 2 weeks. Initially it was like a holiday, then it turned into 3 weeks. At that time I knew that this was going to be pretty serious and that this would probably carry on for about a month or two, and that's what we were getting prepared for.
So Animate is established in 1997 with two of us, and at the beginning we were doing animations and large format printing. After several years of business operations, we want to leverage our service and with the small format printing. In the support of Konica Minolta, we purchased first our small format printing. So with the Konica Minolta, we will start doing visiting cards, brochures, letterheads and various other stuff. Currently we are operating with organic growth, and we have over 135 people operation, and we are one of the largest digital printer in Colombo, and also we are operating with over 20 digital printing machines.
The economic crisis hadn't come because everything was shut down, the shops are closed, you can't go out, you're in your house. There was no real economic crisis because there was no economy to talk of. But we knew that once we opened up, there would be a severe economic crisis. And we had to decide how, together with our team, Chamindan and myself, we were just discussing throughout this time how we are going to change our business, how we are going to innovate, how we are going to push forward when the economic crisis hits us. Because when we open, that's when we will have an economic crisis.
From our very first meeting with Animate, they were very much focused on what they are looking for with the new Konica Minolta C14000 digital printing machine. We are very happy and we are very glad that we could fulfill what they are looking for with our new Konica Minolta C14000 machine. Konica Minolta C14000 and C12000. Konica Minolta C14000 can run up to 140 CPM per minute, and Konica Minolta C12000 can run up to 120 CPM per minute. One of the greatest features of this new Konica Minolta C14000 machine is that it can run up to 450 GSM media. And also, this series comes with embedded IQ501 intelligent quality optimizer, which can manage the color densities, maximum density controls embedded, and it is closed loop mechanism which only comes with Konica Minolta technology. The other key feature of Konica Minolta C14000 is it can produce images with 2400 dpi into 3600 dpi resolution, which gives crisp images which very much closer to offset prints.
Every day is a new challenge, but we are fearless because we have the right technology and supporting us is the right partnership.
More often than not, I've come to think about how doing business in Sri Lanka has shaped my perception and impacted me on a corporate perspective and personally. The integrity and the perseverance, and most of all, the fellowship of the Sri Lanka business community has what it takes to be an outstanding country in the region. The diversity and the immense ability to adapt and adopt has made this small island a global player. In that light, Konica Minolta take great honor to be able to partner with Animate for their first investment in the Konica Minolta AccurioPress C14000 in Sri Lanka. The C14000 is a true revolution in the digital printing industry that will help drive business success and profitability through its trailblazing features. Our partnership with APT and Animate only goes to show that forward thinking coupled with trust and positivity can inspire all of us to reach greater heights and emerge stronger together. Together, we rethink the future of professional printing.
giving shape to ideas. Konica Minolta.